Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the quad launcher in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and we're gonna draw this from the side, so it should be pretty easy. It's just gonna be a lot of little rectangles and basic shapes. So to begin, we're just gonna draw one big rectangle. And this is going to be the full body of the rocket launcher, or the quad launcher. So here's the midpoint of the rectangle. So if you just kind of come over halfway from here, you're going to have the area where the grip's going to be. So we're just going to draw one line slanting down, and then we're going to draw the same line but slightly shorter. Okay, so this is just going to be the grip. So we're going to come down, and there's going to be a little bit of a hook here. Okay, and then for the trigger itself, this one's easy. We're just going to draw a slight curve coming down and then go into the handle. Okay, and then some little details on the grip here. I'm just going to draw in a little rectangle and then just two circles inside. Okay, so now let's draw in the little grip on the front. So again, halfway, and just kind of come over slightly. And we're just gonna draw two lines coming down. Slightly bigger on the bottom here. And I'll just close it, and then let's just add in some details. Alright, so from here, let's work on the cover. So we're gonna just draw a circle right here, right at the very tip. Okay, and then so we're going to draw the cover, so we're going to draw one line. I'm going to draw it at a slight angle. So this line right here should be about the same as this line. Just roughly, because I know it's kind of really hard to measure that, right? Okay, and then from here I'm just going to draw in, it's basically just going to be another rectangle. And then on the inside here, there's going to be a little bit of detail. Just another rectangle. Alright, so that's going to be the cover, and then let's draw in those two little, I guess this is, not sure what this is. Is this for the side or something? I'm not sure. So just kind of go up, just kind of curve it and then slant down. And then there's going to be a circle inside. And then there's going to be one more here, and it's the reverse. So we're going to draw a line going this way and then curve out toward the front. Slant down, and then same thing here, just a circle. Alright, so before we work on the details inside, let's just go ahead and finish up the back here. So the back is pretty easy. Just kind of draw two lines first, going back, just kind of come in slightly. Okay, so just come down from here and then just draw two lines, and then we just kind of close it off with a vertical line. Okay, and then once you have that, we're going to draw in two lines in here. So we're just kind of divide it up. Okay, so it's going to be two tubes in here. And then we can add in, right, let's just add in some details right now. So I'm just going to draw two lines here and then two more lines on the back. Okay, and then before we draw the back here, there's a little handle here that we need to draw first. So just draw in like a half circle, and then we're gonna slant it down, so it's like a little hook, it's like a bar, and then we'll close that off with the same kind of curve on the other end. And then once we have that, now we can draw in this little detail back here. So we're gonna extend the line here on the top and bottom, then we're just gonna go back, and then we'll connect that behind the bar. And then in here, so we're gonna extend this tube, just kind of imagine it going through, and then we'll just kind of cap that off. And then same thing here on this side, but it's behind the bar, so it's gonna be a little bit trickier. So whatever you can draw behind there. Alright, so now, well, the back's done, so let's just work on some details here. So for the details, let's start out here. We're just gonna draw one line. And then in here, I draw two lines and just kind of curve it and just close it. Or just make it straight. Okay, and then in here, there's gonna be some lines here. So I'm just gonna draw three. Okay, so come over here. I'm gonna draw this little, I'm not sure what this is. There's a lot of little details I'm not sure what it's for. So we'll just draw a rectangle here. Just divide that up. And then there's gonna be a little bit of a handle here. So just kind of come up. Let's draw one, and then I'm gonna draw the same line on the outside. Okay, and then there's gonna be some line details here. So from here, just draw one line next to it. And then from the corners, we're just gonna go all the way back. Okay, to about there. And then we're just gonna go out. All right, and then let's see, let's add in a little bit more detail. We're gonna draw from here, just draw two lines. And then there's gonna be a little bit more detail here. So I'm gonna make this a little bit thicker. Looks like some kind of vent. Okay, and then here, let's just add in some stickers, a little triangle here. And there's some, looks like some text, but it's too small. So I'm just gonna draw a block. And then there's the number 23 if you guys want to add that in. Okay, so just 2 and 3. And then just some more smaller details. Alright, so that's pretty much it. And I'm just gonna draw in some of the rockets because I think it looks a little bit cooler with the rockets in there. So I'm gonna draw one extending out. Just draw like a little rectangle, and then gonna flare it out. Let's close it, and then we're just gonna taper it all the way to the tip there. So there's the eyeball, and then the mouth just kind of curl. And I'm just gonna draw some teeth. Real simple. Alright, and let's draw one more. So this one's flying out. I think it uses the same rockets, right? I'm really not sure. So I'm just drawing these from the rocket launcher. So it's the same thing as that, so just taper it in. Curve for the eye, shade it in on the tip, and then same thing here, curve, and then some teeth, 2 on the top, and then I'm just gonna draw 1 on the bottom. And that is it for this new quad launcher in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.